Have you ever had a broken heart? Well, I know I have, and I'm sure you have too. And in those times, what we long for is to find healing and to have a whole heart. On October the 23rd, Saturday, from 9 a.m. until 12:30 p.m., I want to invite you to join us for a mental health seminar. It'll be in person, it'll be online, and it'll be free. And you can register for this at enlightenmentalhealth.org. And there you can also get more information about our seminar speaker, Dr. Kevin Van Lant, who is a professor at Biola University, who teaches on pastoral care and also on psychology. And he wants us to learn how together with our church and with our families and with our communities, we can help each other to find wholeheartedness in a world that too often leads to brokenheartedness. We hope that you will join us. We look forward to seeing you. Again, you can find out more information and register at enlightenmentalhealth.org.